So I gave the marshmallows some time to melt all together. So we're just stirring it all together right now. Getting ready to add the Rice Krispies. So I'll melt it. Let's see. Ooh, creamy. So I think it's ready. Let's go get the Rice Krispies. Yummy. So I'm gonna add the Rice Krispies right now. Half the bag should do. And then I'm gonna stir it all together. Coming good. This is a quick and easy recipe. It only takes 15 minutes for a delicious treat that everyone will love. And what we need to do is have one of these pans, which is a sheet pan. You're going to spread them out on here flat. And then we let them cool down. Give it like 10 minutes to cool down, 15 minutes. And then you can cut your Rice Krispies and eat them and serve them with whipped cream or whatever you like, strawberries. It's coming together. Sticking. It's gonna mix it a little bit better. Get in there. It looks so delicious right now. Okay, now we're gonna cut off the stove. I need one of these dry rags so I don't burn my fingers. That's not gonna be fun. So here's Rabbit. Here's Rice Krispies. Take them out with your spatula. And it's a little bit messy. My hand. Lick them off. So let's just wait until they cool down and then we'll look at them. Alright.